Today I'm putting together a few simple old school desserts you can make at home. No fancy tools, just easy recipes that work. Alright, next recipe.
Hello everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Today for my fast recipe is going to be some Cool Whip and some Oreo cookies to make a dip for all these football games going on. Something fast, something sweet. First of all, I want to thank the women out there, moms, wives, girlfriends, fiancés, and even men that cooked the delicious meals for everybody today. If you haven't been thanked, thank you. Today, all you have to do is get some Cool Whip, put it in a bowl. I've got some Oreos already chopped up. You just pour them in. Recipe will be on the description below. Just mix it up really good. You know, all depends on how much you want. Put a little bit more in there. Mix it up. After you're done, all you can use is pita bread chips or bread or some graham crackers, and you can just use it like that. Delicious, fast, good to go. Until next time, see ya.
Alright, next recipe.
Let's try one. Delicious.
Want to see more of me, more recipes? Subscribe. Until next time,
See ya.
alright, next recipe.
Today I'm going to make something easy, fast, and quick, and everybody loves them. They're called chocolate covered peanut butter Ritz cookies. And this is how we're going to start. We're going to put some peanut butter on the crackers. Here we go. Don't have to smoosh them or nothing. Just got to put them on there. Use your finger, whatever you want to use. Whatever gets them on there. Easy. But hey, they're still going to be good. Alright. Since I'm making 10, I already got them already out. Peanut butter. Now all I have to do is take these. Put them on there, the tops. Make it like a little sandwich. Just make a little sandwich like this. Not too hard. Just press them down a little bit more. Just keep on pressing them down. This is what makes the sandwich. Now, after you do all this, you have to get the old chocolate ready that you're going to go be dipping. And what I use is, I use a half chocolate chips. And then I also use the candy melt chocolate. And what I do is I'm going to put it in a microwave probably 15 seconds every time just to see, because you don't want to really belt them or burn them. All right, after you get the chocolate in the microwave and melt it down to what you need, look at that. Don't that look good? That's literally good, ain't it? So this is what you do now. Get a Ritz cracker with the peanut butter, plop it in there. Use the forks so you can use it, grab it, and just twist it around. Just twist it around. Like that. What you do is hit the bowl to get all that excess chocolate off. And after that, you just lay it on your parchment paper. And just keep on going. Get the next one, throw it in there. Move it around, get that good old chocolate, melted chocolate. If your chocolate starts getting hard on you, all you got to do is just stick it back in the microwave, 10, 15 seconds, and just repeat the process. Sorry about that. You get them all done, you put them on paper, let them sit for a little while. They'll harden after a while. If you want them to harden faster, put them in the cooler for a little bit. Coldness will get them harder faster. If you like this video, leave me some comments below, and I'll have the recipe on the description. Until then, see ya!
All right, next recipe.
Out of the oven. Delicious! Subscribe for more. Until next time, see ya!
All right, next recipe.
And coconut macaroon. Coconut macaroons. Let's try one. Delicious! If you want to see more of me, subscribe. Until next time, see ya!
If you like simple recipes like these, I've got more coming. Thanks for watching.